Oh, my people, my beautiful people, another day, another episode. As I promised, we meet again. And today, I'm not alone. Today, we have two members of Diski Parliament. As I promised, Uguti, we're going to keep the debate on. Otherwise, Bafetu, welcome back to another episode here on Diski Parliament. We truly appreciate your support as Diski Parliament. Before we begin with today's business of the day, I want to ask for one simple favor, Bafetu. Please hit that like button. And the reason I'm asking for this favor now is because you are going to enjoy the show. And in the process, you are going to forget to hit that like button. So Bafetu, hit that like button now. We're going to give you just 1 second to hit that like button and also that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Thank you, Bafetu. Today, Nasbali, Mr. Nkalang. I'm not alone. Sibala.
Sibala. Ones and twos, Sibala, keep on.
My ones and twos, Sibala Kwan. Into jealous, let's say, Bonnie would say, Sibona Puma nomination, Sibala. It's that time of the year. Pelili season, he says, Ngena nomination, Sibala. So, here, Jena Mutai, the Meles could make a good looking, Sibala.
Yeah, no my nominations are still there, I start saying.
But nomination, heads are based on performance.
Yeah, deserving this, but yeah, I don't think there's anyone low excluded like deserve Akuba in any of the nominations, but
utawa dispute akani akhona la kule list bawubona ngathi khona number 4 lo shodako because in every category there's 3 nominees. So uma ubona ngathi khona lo shodako utawu add, uyabona. So kahle bafethu sinichazele nje ukuthi namhla sobe sibhizi ngani. So we will be going through the nominees who are on the category we PSL. Then sibeke imibono yethu as to who is that player that's supposed to win that category. Yabo? Starting off with the PSL footballer of the season. We have 3 nominees in this category. We have Oswina Police, we have Relebukele Mufukeni, and Tebogo Mukwena. Sibali, uyibona njani? And obviously, Melus Chele understanding yakho reasons behind it. PSL footballer of the season.
Yeah, but first and foremost, but let's just give credit Gulama player 3 because they all had a great season overall. Police has proven to be one of the key players for his success at Pirates. I'm not sure anything about Debs, even though he was a bit disappointing in the World Cup, but overall, Debs also saying Debs. I think it's pretty much obvious. Don't find I had one of the best seasons in South African football, not just recent. Throughout South African football, he's
outstanding.
The season from the side, from what to compensate, would see he deserve a move to go play like I corner man. Just I don't think Kona Langa argue each other because they really deserve to be the player of the season.
Nama can't argue with that as well. And I like what you said. We have to give credit to all 3 players, not just these 3 players. I feel like there's many more players. Obviously, we have to choose 3. They have to choose 3 for the nominees. But there are many players that I think this season they did well. Yeah, well.
Who do you think should be fought?
Who do I think should be fought on the list? My favorite player, which is Kasongo.
Sibelebele.
I think like I like the fact that Sibelebele mfethu singamthemba noma sikhalise ibhubhiso lesasibani. Whether we are attacking, Sibelebele is there. Whether we are defending, Sibelebele is there. He's a versatile player. And also,
yeah, hard work.
Yeah, so I like that about him. So this one is more, it's biased because because I like his style of play. Not because he's the greatest. It's because I personally like his style of play. According to me, Begu, okay, it's rare, obviously it's hard, but maybe number 2 or number 3, or he would have been part of the nominees. And according to you, Sibali, if we had to add a fourth place, who would it be?
It's very hard to pick someone like a Pirates at this point. Yeah, man.
No, but now we obviously we have our loyalties to our different pages, but we are just talking overall
I think
South African football.
ngiyacabanga anyone else like have a season engcono than Yasibelebele. Yabona. I-football ngasikhathi bantu babuka ama-stat ukuthi how many goals did you score, those kind of things. But Sibelebele, even if he doesn't score, even if he doesn't assist, in terms of hardworking, good avail, mark, uyambona because he has a winning mentality. So
Yeah.
I think it deserves to be fourth on the list. So
He deserves it. I think this is very rare of it too, where me and Sibali actually agree on one thing.
not even rare.
We did. We did. So I'm sometimes number 1 siyavubelana ka fourth position.
Ngibese ngiyicabanga ndakuphikisa njani. Ayivumi.
Okay, Sibali, you mentioned that Teboho Mokoena had a disappointing World Cup. Please elaborate on that. Because according to me, maybe if you say the last game, and obviously getting those 2 yellow cards, that's something that Lebesnal phone, because Uspice we had to play a game without him. So Mokoena, he had a disappointing World Cup. What do you mean?
I think a strong trait Mokoena in mentality. Mokoena uyadlamela hlabe khona, uyadlamela. He's always aggressive. And Nialo, if you are to look in football all around the world, akasimaning ma number 6 la aggressive as Mokoena. Ulekele your trait, and I think that's the trait that defines him, because lapho bekumkwela nje longathi like Mokoena aggressive noma ngathiwa uyambona lo muntu ukuthi ufuna kula is there to fight. So maybe lokuthola leyo card asathi ukuthi behind closed doors bamtshela ekuthini ukuthi okay, you should tone it.
Just because of the sound part.
Yeah, bamtshela ukuthi maybe you should tone it down a bit uzame kuba and keep you out of character yonke lento le. But lo Mokoena lesimati thina Mokoena uyalwa.
Yeah,
even if he is to have a bad game, but uyambona ukuthi he has a winning mentality ufuna kuwina lapho because chilled.
Do you think maybe it's because for all of our players, it was the first time they were playing the World Cup? Do you think maybe that has had an impact with performance yakhe? Because obviously it's a different stage. I understand he played the Club World Cup, but it's a completely different stage as to compared to the FIFA World Cup, my national clubs.
Mokoena, he's probably the most experienced infield player kule squad sonke lesa. If ever keeper Williams, then uya kuMokoena. Kubo bonke labantu laba would understand ukuthi really athuke the boy is young. Really uyaqala kuba on that stage, so it's understandable. Other than Mbogazi, because Mbogazi is also state, and we can tell through his performance ukuthi in the confident
He was one of the most confident players
prior to World Cup. If ever we had players ngaba worried ngawo ukuthi maybe lo muntu lo angafika thuke lo, I don't think anyone angasho ukuthi Mokoena, yabona. So it's disappointing ukuthi ufike lapho akhombisa nje kuba nteke in a way. So
okay, ngiyakubamba Desibali, and lapho again second time we agree on the same. But before moving to the next point, I just wanted to iron that one out, because for sure what you mentioned, there were a lot of people that were going to have questions. So I just wanted to clear the air. Then the second category, we have the Betway Premiership Player of the Season. Just to clarify to our subscribers and obviously our newcomers to the show. And by the way, we appreciate your support. If you're new, this is Diski Parliament. We talk about anything and everything Diski related. Yeah, just to explain to you guys what the player's player of the season is. This is a player that's nominated by other players in the PSL, in the PSL, right? Excluding his own teammates. So, for example, we have Asuna Police, we have Relebohile Mufukeni, we have Kamohelo Sibelebele, the three nominees. None of these players were voted by Orlando Pirates players. So these were votes outside of Orlando Pirates, since these three nominees are Orlando Pirates players. But in these three nominees, who do you think is the player's player of the season?
Yeah, the fact that this Belebele made it to that list, he was giving other players problems. Njengoba Chile earlier on was
Mostly attackers.
yeah, we
Mostly attackers problem.
should give him credit. Yeah, but this is the player's choice. As soon as get ground in,
Yeah, but Sibali, put yourself in the shoes of a player.
lang nigga my difficulties as a player, smart. Because my players are voted based on that. Who gave me difficulties in the field?
But according to who was that one player that was giving other players?
I'll give it to Rela again.
Obviously, because
Yeah, I'll give it to Rela again. Yeah, but then again, I do understand why my players now have been nominated Kuleo category.
This one is a difficult one.
Yeah.
This one is a difficult one, and the fact that we do not necessarily have an influence as my fans on this one. But as for me, I'm giving it to Kasongo.
Njengoba ngishilo sibala ukuthi player malvoda liyabuka ukuthi lo he was giving me problem.
And my reasoning behind it is Relebohile Mufukeni begabani problem. My defenders, right? He was giving defenders problem. But Kamohelo Sibelebele
Was giving everyone problems. That's why.
whether you're a defender, whether you're an attacker, negative problem. Except for you to please bear with us. There's a car outside that's making a lot of noise, but we trust that our mic will not pick up that sound. Oh, thank God, it's out. Yeah, so as Belebele Sibali was giving everyone a problem. So I have to give it up to him and say he's the player's player of the season, because Umakilate everywhere, who attacking defensively everywhere, he was good. So you agree with me there, or you are
because this is an infield decision. As a player, I just don't cheat along some move now. So yes.
Okay. Then the third category is the Betway Premiership Coach of the Season. So we have Mamelodi Sundowns, Moguel Cardoso. We have Kaizer Chiefs, Kaze and Khalil Ben Youssef. And we have Orlando Pirates, Adeslam Owadu. What's your take on this one? If you would prefer me to go first, Sibali, so that
please go first on this one, because
this one is Sibali, obviously. I'm scratching Kaze and Khalil Ben Youssef out of this one. They shouldn't be there to begin with, right? Unfortunately, they are here because we have to add 3 nominees. If there was this one should be supposed to be just 2, because what are they doing here? You understand? I understand what they did in terms of they've achieved a lot from the previous season, right? They won it was Nabi who won the...
Yeah, it was Nabi.
But they were there.
They were assistant coach at the time, so it wasn't that...
But then, they're sitting they left Chiefs in a dead place position, right? They qualified to go play the CAF Confirmation Cup, right? Yeah, confirmation. You're not going to say anything about that?
No, I'm giving you a chance to speak. I'm full man now, just man speak. That's so cool, man. I'll say my piece.
Okay, they qualified for the CAF Confirmation Cup, right? And there's a lot that they did, like things they didn't achieve. Playing a draw against Orlando Pirates, that was a huge achievement for Kaizer Chiefs. We saw with how people celebrated, even you celebrated, but I remember you went to Roots, you bought meat, and we had a pride.
Uyangicala.
Okay, but so they achieved a lot, but they cannot be coach of the season. Okay, good that they are here on the nominees, but they can't win it, right? I'll have to give it up to, because we are talking South African football, right? I'll have to give it up to Aldous Lamwad, right? Given that he won the domestic treble, he won the domestic treble, he won the Carling Black Label, wawina nelitshontsho le Carling Black Label. He won he won the MTN 8 and he won the league, right? Cardoso did great, but here at home he failed. Dismal. We understand. Dismal. We didn't expect him to fail this dismal here at home, given the track record here, Mamelodi Sundowns. He did great by getting Mamelodi Sundowns the second star, but since this is a domestic nominations, domestic awards, I will have to give it to Wadu, right? But if we were to include ICAF as well, Africa as a whole, then it was going to be a challenge. I would still give it to Wadu, because obviously more silverware, but the CAF holds more value. You understand? So Cardoso there would have maybe take it, but for now, I think Wadu is the coach of the season.
These nominees as well, they show the mediocrity in South African football. For one to be selected among the best, Mele Aba achieving. Melaba achieving to be in the top 3 of the best coaches of the season.
It's your achievement.
Achieving Ben Youssef, achieving for them to be included in that
list. Confirmation sport.
Nah, sport. As well, also when we celebrated at Romina, I believed we had a chance because it's not shy. The first leg, Sadla, more like headless chicken. The second time, Vera Basadlala is Shaolin football, even though Besi, I wouldn't say Bes happy. Bes nalo onje would say angeba kulum she's fun distract. But I don't think they deserve to be on that list. The very same applies for Cardos. So angeke ukuthi PSL kuthathwe the best 3 team. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi even the next season whoever finish first and second and third
will be
like let's be crystal clear ukuthi sishongani ukuthi lo is one of the best coaches of the season.
What are the criteria?
Yeah.
In terms of like the nominees, like, what are we looking at? Because currently it looks like they just took the first, the top 3.
If Durban City won a trophy, who thought Durban City would win a trophy?
Which is the Nedbank Cup.
So,
and they are not on this list. The coach is not on this list. You understand? We have Kaze, we have Youssef here. They want nothing, but they are here. I understand you, but otherwise, between these 3,
it's pretty much obvious. The coach who has won the most trophies get to be the best coach of the season. The guy won 3 trophies for God's sake. So, it's but not obvious. But
okay, 4th criteria. Category, not criteria. Category number 4, we have the Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season. We have Rele Mufokeng, we have Isak Sise, we have Selulego Mahlambi.
I don't feel like me and you can judge the other 2 players fairly. I don't feel like
because
we can. We don't really
give them too much time, like watching their gameplay.
But Cisse was one of the best players. Benfica was the chips in ngamthenga. Congratulations to you guys.
Yeah, we signed Cisse,
Yeah.
by the way, guys. We signed Cisse. So the Buccaneers have a good player there.
I think I'm in a good spirit today. So congratulations, Bal, to Cisse. I think he'll do good. Yeah, because he'll play a little corner to control the game, to control the tempo, like the whole atmosphere of the midfield. Ngiyambuka nje nama videos akhe ngafisa ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs maybe ngathenga nethi yabantu be Chiefs benda njani, but even kule category le, I don't think it's a money thing. Yeah, nema teams like PSA ngathi akafuni ukubona iChiefs isucceed, but
nina nivona ukhipha imali, nina nifuna just nje ma-free agent nanjalo kanye nibhizi nigijimisa lo keeper wasekhukhuni benilinze lokho ngase ukugcwala stova bathi nigijimisa nashalulile.
Kwamele ukhumbule sibali ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is the most decorated
I knew it was coming.
South African team.
Yeah, decorated when 1971.
It doesn't matter.
1971.
It doesn't
In the
matter.
past 10 years, how many trophies?
Even if it's 1652 during the time of Jan
let's
van
talk about the
Riebeeck.
past 10 years. How many trophies you have?
Why do you have to limit me to 10 years? Because you've won more in 10 years. No, let's talk about football. We've won the most trophies.
Schoolmate about your achievement since you were old enough to understand.
No.
Actually, when we were still running around in our fathers.
As bad when I'm still 2K.
When Chiefs was getting all that decoration, where were we?
Chiefs,
but where were we?
The mistake that most people make, when I the Chiefs, ever since we were born in Chiefs Benji. That's my best child. And to this day, I believe because the Chiefs in a subway to his glory time. But in the corners, but they would see why be difficult towards the Chiefs go Salama play. I'm giving you a reason.
But first of all, you guys are broke. Right? That's why niba ne-insurance, niba nema-funeral cover, niba na yonke lento leyo. You guys rely on selling merchandise to make money. You are not winning any silverware to make money. You do not have sponsors. You were so happy not long ago that in the sponsorship i-Black Label, you even compared the Black Label ne-Amstel ukuthi ngiyi-Black Taste.
Lapho bengilaya phela bese ngasalayi. Kaizer Chiefs has been and still is the biggest brand.
Yes. I love what you say.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest brand.
Yeah.
But not the biggest team.
If ever you are the biggest brand, that means you have money. There's no way you can be the biggest brand and be broke.
That's because you have 10 million followers.
How?
You have 10 million fans. People who buy your merchandise.
Even in the World Cup, we've seen people with Kaizer Chiefs logo. I haven't seen a single person carrying an Orlando Pirates logo, wearing an Orlando Pirates logo. This is between me and you. I'll show you. I don't have. I don't have to fact check yet.
Okay. As you continue to support us this Parliament, we will have a fact check. He will sit over there. He will sit over there. We'll have a fact check. So please support us this Parliament. We need a fact checker because this guy, I don't trust him right now.
As man, we are like even economy in the country. My Chiefs, you win. Yapagam. The rand to the dollar. Less.
I don't dispute that.
They're not just broke.
Listen, you are broke. Chiefs as a team is broke, right? But Chiefs has a huge fan base to such an extent that if you guys win, right, the people become so happy they go to Roots, they buy meat. That's phakamisa economy lendo leyo. You understand? But as a team, you are small. As a brand, you are big.
As Bali, why ufuna ku separate the two?
No, a brand and a team are two different.
You can't be a big brand whilst you're a small team. Name one team that is a big brand yet a small team.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Well, other than Kaizer Chiefs, name another one. You can't, Spat.
Because there's only one
You can't.
brand that's also
You
a small team. Listen, I'm gonna name you one team that is a small brand but a big team, which is Mamelodi Sundowns. The brand is too small. Mamelodi Sundowns only has 57 fans as compared to the 10 million from Kaizer Chiefs.
You can't be a big brand yet a small team. Don't switch it.
Spat.
Don't switch
But
it,
you
Spat.
can be. Chiefs is a small
Name
team.
one. Give me an
It's
example.
a small team that is struggling, that is relying on free agent players. A small team that cannot win any silverware. Last season, you won nothing. The only thing that you've achieved last season was the video call with Mukoko and the draw with Orlando Pirates. That's the only team that's the only thing that you've achieved last season. That shows that you are a small team.
Let's talk about Kaizer Chiefs from a business perspective.
Yes.
From
now the brand side of Kaizer Chiefs.
From
not the team
a
side, the
business
brand side.
perspective, because I feel like Kaizer Chiefs inama-fans lamaningi langase-Chiefs bantu labangayati Chiefs badofuna ukukhuluma nge-Chiefs. Ayikaze Chiefs ngiliphi player alikhiphela imali, maybe ngimi lengikho knowledgeable. Ngicela ningifundise.
Sibali ngeke ngikhiphe into lento yona. Anamali.
No, Sibali usho ukuthi wena in Kaizer Chiefs history, i-Chiefs ayikaze abanemali. I'm giving you the then sakhipha nini manje sambe sothenga i-superstar what ayikhipha
No,
nini.
kahle vele nine.
We don't.
You've always relied on buy one get one free. For example, le khona la bendlela khona le player le Musona. Khumbula lo kwaMsona uhlupha njani.
Yeah, watch our head trick against the Pirates. But Chiefs rely on three things. We develop. Most of my players, Mabuga history Chiefs, come from development. Two, free agent. I say
Free agent.
yeah, I say namuhla Chiefs has always done that. I see namuhla nang goalkeeper wesikhukhune ube free agents siyomdoba.
Yeah, yomdoba.
Bantu baba surprised ukuthi why Chiefs. It has always been that way.
Yeah.
Three, sithenga out of Africa or silinza someone lebangasamfundi phesheya boMorgan Gold bobanibani sesibuya babe la ekhaya.
That's exactly what has made you guys a small team.
But even during our time of trial, we're using the very same strategy. Why bengas criticize back then? Those criticize nyalo. By the time it's win ngibani lesamthenga from what team with what amount.
Nyalo umbuta imibuto lemikhulu kakhulu lapho ngesibani bengisalusa athi imbuti bekade sikhathi sokubuka abahlasi market. Okay. So sivumelana ku category number 4 sivumelana nga and that's given because we haven't really watched Isak and Seluleko.
There's no ways but
so this is not a fair one. Okay, so please Bafethu ne mina naSibali lana we didn't really watch Isak and Seluleko, but we know more about Red. So we are misinformed. No, we are uninformed. So please do correct us in the comments if you feel like the young player of the season should be Isak or Seluleko. Please drop your comments there. Then category number 4, Sbal.
Before we move, Sbal, yeah. I don't think it's possible for a player to be the player of the season yet not be the young player of the season.
Yeah.
It's obvious. Even if season, then automatically you're a young player.
Yeah. So, but if you feel otherwise, let us know. Category number 4, goalkeeper of the season. I know here we're gonna fight because we have Brendan Peterson, we have Sipo Chain, and we have Goss.
We are not going to fight. You just don't want to admit.
Admit what?
Why Why uba
Kufanele
muncu?
cold drink yababa.
Why uba muncu? Smile
Peterson.
Peterson had one of the best season, and I'd like to reference back to one of my videos we made earlier in the year. I said Peterson, Peterson is the best goalkeeper in this country. The boy deserved to go
That's
to
a
the
huge
he.
statement.
The boy
That's a
deserved.
bold
He
statement.
deserved to go to the World Cup. I was hoping Hugo would come with a.
Sibali, you can't say he's the best who deserves to go to the World Cup simply because of current performance. Peterson bekatimisele nyalo because he wanted to be selected for the World Cup.
Mangicala le nkulumo yami Sibali, ngishite I like to reference back earlier in the season. And then
Earlier in the season, when was that, Sibali? Before the injury. It was before his injury.
Sibali le season le 2025-2026 season. Yabo, even mangicala le season you were one of the people that said Kaizer Chiefs have a solid defense. I mean, how did defense the Chiefs is not that
No.
You did,
I
man.
think it was a child.
Yeah, you yourself.
Or folks.
You say Chiefs has a solid because my current season. Remember, we considered the least goal of any other team. Yeah, but we saw Chiefs has a solid defender. Not mean no. Bukele Chiefs. Ubukele a contribution ya Peterson. From the onset of the season, Peterson has been the best goalkeeper. The boy deserved to go to the World Cup, and I was hoping Hugo gave us a logical explanation for his omission to the World Cup. But the guy said, "Oh, Peterson ang mati personality." Ingenaphi personality? Okay, yabo bengifuna kumlalela ukuthi utawuthini ukuthi angimati what if angimfaki utawureacta njengokuthi nawumhlolo. Awumfaki. Bonke labantu lahambe nabo labo yabathi. Nayo ke reason la inikile Hugo. Kude lenye because there was none. Yeah.
Also Sibali, because sivumelene la ukuthi we're going to be fair and we're not looking at teams here. We're talking about goalkeeper of the season, team of the season. You understand? For me, Sipho Chain might have ma clean sheet lamaning, which obviously he will get the goalkeeper of the season given that he has more clean sheets. That's what most of the time they base it on that, right? He will get it. But according to me, Sban, Chain didn't face as many shots as Peterson.
Exactly.
As Goss. You understand? He didn't face as many shots as those two goalkeepers. And so the attack here, Orlando Pirates has been rock solid since Mbogazi. Even when Mbogazi left, Siema and CBC kept that defense line solid. We had we had Sibelebele on the side, we had Ndaba, we had Hodu. So he will get it, but I agree with you, Sban. Goalkeeper of the season must simjudge and who actually goalkeeped Peterson.
Then
Peterson. I released the video. If you remember very well, I said Peterson deserves to go to the World Cup. That's after your videos, man. So I give it to Peterson. I know that Chain will have it because he had 21 clean sheets, but Peterson deserves it more.
Ngiyabonga Sibali ukuthi yavuma, and to add further kulolu kushiko. Any big game that you can think of whereby Chain was the standout player for a Pirate?
No. There's none because obviously of the defense. There are some games where I watched, I couldn't even see Chain.
You lost games this season, Sibali. And I don't think, I'm not sure about what I'm about to say, I don't think in any of those games Chain was man of the match, whereby he was just this standalone player who was okay. Last is surviving in Zawaya Chain. How many men of the match did Peterson have? I'm not even sure of the thing.
igame yakhe yokuqala abuya injured. Became the man of
I'm not even sure of how many men of the match Peterson got, but I'm willing to bet my life.
It's more than
It was like it Chiefs. Quite a my game la. Ngibani lengimfunayo la. Ngibani umthitho weslevu se Chiefs man. Ungakhohlwa iplayer la mina Mthetho. Uyabona ama game, uyabona Nyambosi abakhona man of the hayi akakwadlala boy Nyambosi. Hey, uyabona Nyambosi uba man of the match last bets akhona. He's the best of the West. Man as bets ukuze right. Nyambosi yeah. Mangas attack ngilaba active khona uyathi siyomaka umnona
ngiyabaka mina ngabe atheka kubalekele khona kuyabaka
Nyambozi ngeplay ukuthi singakora 3 sesifaka Nyambozi siyavala ke yo defend
mara kona kuyawenda umsebenzi wami defend
yeah we went umsebenzi but from a midfielder we expect him to connect attack net defense yeah so Peterson lama game lawo ngambuka ama save akhe like the guy improved, man. He improved a lot.
Yeah, I think he deserves equal keeper of the season, but he won't get it given that he played less games and obviously Chain has more clean sheets.
But he had way more impact compared to Chain. Kansas Jaja was udlale 30 ma game la.
I mean, right now I'm giving you a reality check. I don't want you to be
see reality checks, man. It's like we just being truthful.
I said my truth.
Yeah, we're being truthful. Like abamningi lo mfana. Lokuthi angaye World Cup bengekho fair.
I didn't like that. And the fact that he was there when they announced that he's not going, that one really broke my heart.
The fact that you've been called to a national team, representing your country, it's a huge honor for players.
Exactly.
So,
it's an honor and it's something that you deserve to be there. So he should have been in that Hugo Bros collab.
So now we agree is Peterson,
according to Diski Parliament.
Okay.
But in reality, it will be changed.
Sibalo
No, Sibalo. Right now, as Diski Parliament, we are naming our winners in these categories, right? As Diski Parliament, we are
as gosh, what's according to Diski Parliament, Lala Maya category. Why?
Sibali everything that we compare is according to Diski Parliament.
Why emphasize it's according to this Lalamanya emphasize ngani it's according to Diski Parliament. Why?
Okay. We agree it's Peterson.
Yeah, sengiyekela labo Peterson.
Sibali we are confused. We are confused Sibali again.
Ngiyona nginayo Sibali.
Okay, Peterson. Now we move to the category number 6, defender of the season. We have Khuliso Mudau, VIPR, we have Libone Siema, we have Nkosinathi Sibisi.
Okay, but Sibisi it's between Siema and Mudau. And there's a part in me that feels like Mudau is overrated in a way, man.
How so?
First and foremost, Mudau udlala ngetandla. If ever you was to udlala ngetandla, Mudau angadlala to league whereby refereeing yakhona is good compared to the one we have here in South Africa. Angathola
singathola le VAR njengoba Minister of Sports asho.
In terms of and the more we right back or left back in modern football, you are expected to contribute in terms of the attack. Macron is something good, man.
World Cup.
No, overall, as a player.
Sibali, I think last time you said Mudau tends to be a liability, and when we attack, I watched that, and then I bought lento leyo Sibali. Macron sakhe.
Wahluleka Mudau
But one thing I love about Mudau is he's a stopper.
Uyawudefenda yena lo. Yeah.
Yabona ma attack mundawo ngena side lamdawo akustopper.
Mama tackles akhe manhle. Yabona. But my problem is i-attack nenza besandla. Because someone when is pressuring him if everyone dlala la kune VAR khona mntu angahlala thola amayelo kanjalo. Mina ngaba ne problem matohluleka masidlala neNigeria AFCON. I'm not sure whether my memory serves me right, but mndawo washaya etuli boy washaya etuli ngaqala ukuthi mndawo. Nedi ukuthi South African football. That's why I guess it is mediocrity. You just have to take the one. He's not overall a bad player. He's a good player, but I think there's an exaggeration. Gutsumtao is one of the best. I don't think so.
My thing also is that Kasongo had more tackles in the PSL last season. More tackles overall, but he's not in this.
He had more goals. He had a better season compared to maybe because Unogdala is a winger, Dlala, then maybe that's why.
So they don't consider him as a full defender.
Lagli Litzle, Amanige CM managed to close the gap. Mbogazi. Now is one of the people that I think deserved to be called for the national team. And understand why Hugo attracts BC over CM. Because without CM,
he needed experience.
He experienced SBC in dance, but
that's Hugo Bros. You are not Hugo Bros in fact.
Yeah, you know, but between me and you, he done experience SBC.
He won the trial.
No, it's infield. When dance is in terms of the experience. We are defender. Sbisi is the kind of player that plays good when the teams plays good, but when he needs to be a standalone player, angeke would depend on Sbisi. If ever the team is under attack, angeke would rely on Sbisi. CM has been good. Like Lomfanalo, I was even surprised considering Nemtimbo was Mfishane, but I see Chitalo. But we are push, I'm saying.
Yeah.
We are push.
And you mentioned this bar that he was the bridge. Yellow.
Makamba Mbogazi, stepped up.
And a lot of people were saying after the departure of Mbogazi that our defense.
I was one of those people. I was one of those people.
When I say a lot of people, I mean you. People were saying we are going to let defensively, but we didn't see that happening because CM became the bridge. Even when CBC is there, CM still continued to have an outstanding performances week in, week out.
Uma ungafaka bosibisi labayi-2 ungabona mhlolo.
If such a thing was
Sibisi abe lala khona is because Mbogazi bekakhona kumcover yena ngilokuthi.
No, but remember before we were playing with CMI and Mbogazi.
Makangena yena Bombogazi, Bosiem, they look up to him as Rodman. Most of my videos Mbogazi say how put the Begash was so. In terms of grooming the boys, football, football is not only played in the field. So
and also there are certain players as Mali that you need in the pitch. Not necessarily because they are good, they are skilled or whatsoever. Just that the energy that they bring in.
You need. He looked like one of those players. But we are cornered to calm them down. Like relaxing.
Concede, then look at Sibisi. He encourages the players to keep their head up so that we continue and play. So and also the leadership characteristics, characters, qualities, and all of that. What's this? Orlando Pirates boot camp.
angeke ngiyibukele sibani.
I know, but meaning you do not have to be liked. I'm sorry. Uyamatshela ukuthi kuse wena la ubhethile so and so and so and so. You need such a player that will point out the obvious ukuthi wena lo nalo uyaflop.
Yeah.
So I think he also bring in an element of that to boost morale, to boost confidence in Machita, to motivate Machita gaming. So it's not just more of skill alone. Just like you said, if you bring in two CBC in the field, you gotta watch something else because we just have two motivators here, not necessarily defenders.
Yeah, ngengabuda my oldest brother. By the way, uyodlala the regional knockoff yasempumalanga. They wanted to go and partake. They go knockout. No, he has a team. They buy so namanje bodlala eMpumalanga. Even though there's quite a lot of corruption, I think we should also cover ground football at some point because definitely that is just off topic, but I thought I should mention it. Was how come Masamba we see quite a lot of talented footballers, but they can't make it to the PSL. Then Masbugeli PSL, we see a lot of unskilled football. Yeah. What's yena ubola lela pizzo what's yena uprefera ngasikhathi umuntu lo shadile because uyade ukuthi usuke training ayede komndeni wakhe alale. Some other times it's a matter of discipline. The guy may not be that good but uyade ukuthi ulele uphumlile makumele ukuthi agijime utawugijima noma afika le bhola ngathi ukuthi utawugijima. Yeah, then my players lafana nabo Loshi omishini yabo tukwe squad asathi bani lamaningi alleged but it's discipline akafuna ukutshela nani. So there's a whole lot of factors. Maybe nyalo singa criticize us sithi angekho that good, but we don't know who contributed to what extent. Exactly. So he looks like the kind of guy who contributed to a team, even if angaba ne bad game, but corner something like Farao. So yeah, maybe that's the case.
That basically, I think we repair that. So category. Diski Parliament, it's CCM, defender of the season. Category number 7, midfielder of the season. This is basically the same as the PSL footballer of the season. We have Oswina Police, we have Relemo Fokeni, we have Teboho Mugwen.
The season, how many games
in total
as a wing?
That one I can't say, but
okay, but
he had 27 stats.
Yeah, but really,
but as a winger, mostly he plays as a number 10, which is the attacking midfielder.
A police udlala mostly as a winger. Then why is he included? This one is between Mgwen and Rele, because we're not sure who's Rele udlala ma games langana, and Rele has been good overall. But akusho kusirele singambona abaphinzi bamnominate as a defender sisirele everything akawin awudlali yonke position.
That's been fair.
Angasaba ngiloko imeva but udlala as in really because
the thing is with Wadu he hasn't been playing him as central midfielder all the time. Sometimes you see him on the right, then all of a sudden Seba Chinchinela also Asuna Police Soga left.
Okay, but who was Balo Perez the most? Ngubla perform corner better this season as a wing or as a central attacking midfield. Then if ever I perform a,
Just knows bad. Once you put him there, it's magic.
then
Wamfala as a winger, he will play good, but not as good as.
then we midfield of the season if that's the case.
I also go with him midfield of the season. But if I were to be fair, abanye abantwana phela nabo kumele bathole imali.
Nice, but kumele kuthola mna lo 70. Akusi charity phela.
See, Jared. Okay. The last category before Sivala, the episode of today, we have the goal of the season. And we just watched all 3 goals.
But walimunya.
Angisengasho nangama-nominees wena sokuqala uyalimunya ubunyani.
Qhubeka sibali, qhubeka.
We have Sekran, Denson, we have Sianda Ndlovu, we have Glody Lilepo. Sibani uvele wasuka nje wathi siyayimunya, which suggests to me that you
wait, but kunangaki na 3 bani la.
Which suggests to me that you believe that Lilepo has the goal of the season. But that was a cross, not a goal.
Athi ngiqala sibali
No, Sibani. Lilepo's goal was a cross. He was aiming to cross that ball, and by mistake, it went straight to the net. That was a cross. Let's be clear.
That's an opinion, but
No, it's a fact. You must.
you can't say it's a fact.
It's a fact. Look, I will post this video down below here. You will see that it's actually a cross. Look at his facial expression when it went to the net. He was aiming for a cross.
What makes you say he was aiming for? Who was he aiming for? Okay, who was he aiming for?
Mabo.
Let's go through those 3 goals.
Okay.
I think number 3 goal Sianda Ndlovu is not one of the best goals. We barely have those kind of goals at PSL, so they think he's deserving to be among the best scorers. No. Then we go to Danson. That was a very, very beautiful volley, and I got Tashi Crown.
Who did he score that goal against?
It doesn't matter.
South Africa's number 1.
And
South Africa's number 1 looked at it like this.
It doesn't matter. Here we are.
Move, it didn't jump, it did nothing.
Here we are talking about the goal of the season, even if it was a goal that was scored against Orbit. As long as the goal was beautiful, then it would have been the goal of the season. So who it was scored against, it doesn't matter.
A beautiful goal against goalkeeper Nzansi's number 1, and a beautiful goal against Orbit College goalkeeper. Come on.
I do agree with what you're saying, but not in this category. Here we're talking about the best goal. It doesn't matter whether you scored it against Chipezeze or Williams.
Okay.
Yeah, the best goal.
Who had the best goal then?
I started with Ndlovu.
That one
is
not
dead. It's dead.
Yeah, it's a normal goal. Just he eliminated 6 defenders or 4 defenders.
I went to Denson. And I said it's a very, very beautiful goal, and it would have been the goal of the season if Akazangwa Almonia. But let's consider the angle. Let's consider in South African football.
That was a crossing angle.
No.
Crossing.
Yeah, smile. Usually, that goal was out of the usual. Usually, you cross.
Was Lilepo aiming for a goal there?
He was.
No.
Why was he? He
was aiming for a cross, and by mistake he scored.
Smile. It wasn't a mistake.
It was.
Even if it was a mistake, it would have still been the best goal.
This, can you please read it? It says goal of the season, not mistake, not goal by mistake of the season.
Esbal, kuthi ligol bele mistake kanjani ubhala kulo.
Kumele sibe necategory yaloko.
Phela makuthi sikhuluma ngema mistake la kuyafana ukuthi uSpirates aka win league ngoba wina ngema on goal. Hey, jika ya. Yeah.
I'm not cancelling out in goal. A goal or a goal mistake is still a goal.
We can't say that. It's still a what? What matters is what is a goal.
We can't call a mistake.
It's
a goal of
one.
the season.
It wasn't a mistake. Even if it was, it doesn't matter. It was a tight angle. Ever since I've started.
It was a tight angle,
Yeah.
and you scored by mistake. I would understand if you were aiming for that goal and
As
you
Bali,
scored it.
it wasn't a mistake. Even if it was, scoring from that angle is close to impossible.
It is possible.
In terms of South African football, name one goal whereby what Lillepo did is close to Jesus coming back. It deserved to be the goal of the season. It's a miracle, man. The angle, like Lillepo magai lanza so le ball. Where bora kusi ushite hamba le utawubona ukuthi ufike nalo goalkeeper discussion njani. Yamhlula le discussion no goalkeeper.
So, Smiley, you are going with Lillepo.
I'm going with Lillepo school.
I'm going with Danson's school. So this one will have to leave it to.
Let's leave it to the.
Please, our people, please let us know who deserves the goal of the season, because we cannot make a solid decision here at Diski Parliament. In fact, we are arguing. And Bafethu, this brings us to the end of the episode today. Siyabonga kakhulu Bafethu, if you've watched up until this far, we really, really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and if you can, please do hit the notification bell also, so that you get notified whenever we make an upload. Bafethu, this is Diski Parliament. I'm not sure, Sbal, if you want to say any closing words for our people.
Nothing much, Bafethu. Danko. Sibonge kulaba bukelako. You should. We are expecting you in the next episode. Danko Bafethu.